click the subscribe button and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to watch latest tips and tricks. Hey guys, Adib here. Today I'm gonna show you latest WhatsApp tricks. So with that being said guys, let's get right into the video. So guys, the first trick is to share live location with your friends and family. It can be also used for your security. So yeah, it's a very cool feature and it's newly added to WhatsApp, so you can just use it. It's a pretty cool feature. And guys, the next feature is listening to audio files through earpiece. So your friend may have sent you an audio here in public, you don't have a headphone, it is containing some private message but you still want to listen it. So simply play it and then take your phone's earpiece near to your ear. It will use a proximity sensor to detect and then it will play the audio through your earpiece. So it's a very cool trick which you can check out. And guys, the next trick in the list is to get all the latest WhatsApp features before anyone else. So to do this, just simply go into the Play Store page of the WhatsApp. Now scroll down, you will find an option for beta testing. Here you simply have to go ahead and join the beta program. After a few minutes you'll get an update your WhatsApp app. That is it, you will be redirected in the beta program. So guys, the next trick is to delete your sent messages before the other one sees. So if you send it to a wrong person, you can simply delete it before they see the message. So it can be really useful in certain situations, so you can just delete the messages. It's a pretty cool feature which you can check out. So guys, you already know that WhatsApp compresses the images and videos that you sent. So to send them without compressing, you simply click on the document and then select the video and the photo, and you have to make sure it's under 100 megabytes. And yeah, it can be useful in a few situations. And guys, the next trick is to manage your storage, because WhatsApp kills a lot of your internal storage, which is really bad for the low-end smartphones with low internal storage. So here you can go in the settings and then the storage settings of the WhatsApp, and here you can actually manage the storage and get rid of the junk. And the next trick is to mention or reply to a particular message in a group. So to mention someone in a group, so just go ahead, click the @ click the person's name. Now you can just mention them and type the message. And to reply to a particular message, just go ahead and tap and hold a message and click the reply button and reply to it. And the next trick is to use bold, italic and some other built-in styles of the text in WhatsApp. And the next trick is to use this application to send empty messages to your friend. And guys, the next trick also contains an app. This is a repeat messenger app. So using it, you can send the same message to your friends several times, which can annoy your friends, by the way. And guys, the next trick is to send stylish and decorated text messages to your friends. So for this you can use the text converter app, and all the third-party apps I talked about in this video will be linked in the description down below. So guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and I keep making videos like these, so obviously subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends. So yeah guys, that's all for today. I'll see you with some other tips in this video. Bye bye now.